Hey there, hello to you. Medical tourism is when you choose to leave the country for a complex surgical or other procedure to save money. It's really big in hair transplants right now. Search social media and you'll see a variety of results from people who have left the country for hair transplants.
Turkey is one of the countries that's promoting a lot of it. We discover that a lot of their clinics continue to change names as patients have complications from it.
Dr. Jon Mendelsohn of Ohio's Advanced Cosmetic Surgery and Laser Center performs these transplants regularly. Since they can cost up to about $20,000, many people head overseas to try and get them half price. But he says buyer beware. Tell me what can go wrong if you go overseas for a hair transplant.
Yeah, well, so just in the video here, you can see some hair loss in this frontal temporal area. We harvest the hair, and then what you'll see here is using a technique called smart graft, or what we call FUE, follicular unit extraction. Individual hairs are removed, and you can see them being cleaned there. And thousands at a time, we make really like little paper cuts, and we place these follicles in the proper orientation and direction. One of the biggest problems that we see is what we call over-harvesting.
If you're not careful, he says, that can lead to bald spots. The hair can also be overstacked, and when that happens,
they lose the blood supply. And so you'll see patients who actually come back where the donor hair is supposed to go, the recipient region, and they have this hair loss because of necrosis, we call it.
But take a look at this photo of one of John's patients, a woman that had brain tumor surgery. This is partway through her hair transplant with the same techniques done properly. This is the final result. To get good results like that, John says, look for a board-certified plastic surgeon to perform your procedure. Do your homework before you head overseas. There should be a way to follow up when you return home in case of any complications. With your health news, I'm Liz Bonus reporting.